Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Nespresso Plus Pods is probably one of the most convenient ways to enjoy a premium coffee experience at home. These pods offer a wide variety of flavors and intensities, allowing you to customize your daily brew to your exact preferences. Whether you're a fan of rich espressos, smooth lattes, or refreshing iced coffees, Nespresso Plus Pods have something to satisfy every coffee lover's cravings, making your mornings easier and more enjoyable. Number 5. Nespresso Vertuo Variety Pack, 30-count coffee pods. This Nespresso Variety Pack offers a selection of best-selling coffee blends. It includes 3 distinct flavors for your Nespresso VertuoLine system. It's a great way to explore different tastes. The pack includes Stormio, Audacio, and Melozio. Each capsule offers a different intensity level, from medium to dark roast. You can find your favorite coffee with this assortment. These VertuoLine pods brew a generous 7.8-ounce serving. It's perfect for a longer, more satisfying coffee experience. Enjoy it hot or over ice. Nespresso capsules are fully recyclable. They are made of aluminum to ensure the freshness of the coffee. You can easily recycle them through various options. These pods are designed for the Nespresso VertuoLine system. It offers a range of cup sizes, from Espresso to Alto XL. Please note that it is not compatible with original line machines. What we like. This variety pack offers a range of intensities, perfect for exploring different coffee profiles. It brews a generous 7.8-ounce cup, ideal for those who enjoy a longer coffee experience. If you like to savor your coffee and appreciate variety, this is a great choice. What people say. Initially, I purchased the variety pack to see if there was a flavor I liked more than the others. I like them all so much it is now the only pack I buy. The taste is clean, it's wonderful value for the money, and I love the variety. The strength of each flavor is consistently bold, with none of them tasting weak or watered down. The pods all function as they should, and the coffee stays fresh until used. This Melozio coffee is incredibly aromatic and smooth. The flavor is rich but not bitter, with just the right balance of strength and sweetness. Every cup smells amazing and has that signature Nespresso crema that makes it feel like a cafe-quality brew at home. It's perfect for starting the day or enjoying in the afternoon. The capsules work flawlessly with my Vertuo machine, and the consistency of taste is excellent. Nespresso Vertuo Double Espresso Dolce capsules are my daily favorite. They brew a smooth 2.7-ounce cup with a delicious aroma and creamy crema. The flavor is mild yet rich, perfect for mornings or an afternoon boost. Excellent quality and consistency every time. Number 4. Nespresso VertuoLine Dark Roast Coffee Pods. This variety pack offers a selection of dark roast coffee pods. It includes 4 best-selling blends for the VertuoLine system. You can explore different intensities and flavor profiles. The pack features Alticio, Stormio, Intenso, and Diavolido. Each blend has a unique intensity level, ranging from 8 to 11. They provide a rich and diverse coffee experience. The pods offer different brew sizes to suit your preference. Alticio and Diavolido brew at 1.35 ounces, while Stormio and Intenso brew at 7.8 ounces. It's perfect for a longer drinking experience. Nespresso aluminum capsules are fully recyclable. They guarantee coffee freshness. You can recycle the used pods to protect the environment. These capsules are designed for the Nespresso VertuoLine system. It delivers various cup sizes and coffee styles. Enjoy it hot or over ice, but they are not compatible with original line machines. What we like. This pack focuses on dark roasts, delivering bold and intense flavors. It offers different brew sizes, catering to various preferences. If you crave a strong, dark coffee and enjoy the flexibility of different cup sizes, you'll love this one. What people say. Easy to manage for one. Expensive but great coffee. Strong but smooth and not bitter. Great frothing. Absolutely love the Nespresso coffee maker. I've been starting my mornings with this dark blend, and wow, talk about a wake-up call. One quick spin of the machine and I'm greeted with a rich, velvety crema that smells like a cozy cafe in my kitchen. The flavor's bold without tipping into bitter territory. It's got that smooth roasted vibe that makes you realize coffee isn't just a drink, it's an experience. I've tried it straight and with a splash of cream, and both hit the sweet spot of intensity and balance. What's awesome is the variety in the pack. Each capsule brings its own character, so you can pick your mood, deep and smoky when you need a kick, or subtly chocolatey when you want something a bit gentler. And clean up? Literally toss the capsule and you're good to go. Good assortment for the Vertuo machine. Good for someone new with the machine so you can taste different pods. Number 3. Bestpresso coffee for Nespresso Original. Experience the rich taste of Bestpresso coffee. These pods are designed for your Nespresso Original machine, delivering an authentic espresso experience. This variety pack includes 120 pods, ensuring you have plenty of delicious coffee. Each box contains 10 capsules, perfect for any coffee lover. These capsules are specifically designed for Nespresso Original machines. Please note, they are not compatible with VertuoLine machines. This product is kosher certified by the Orthodox Union. It's made with high-quality, 100% natural espresso, and it's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy coffee with no preservatives, sugar, or flavoring added. Over 50% of the coffee is Rainforest Alliance certified, supporting sustainable practices. Try Bestpresso coffee with confidence, knowing it comes with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, they'll make it right. What we like. This product is designed for Nespresso Original machines, offering a wide variety of espresso. It is also kosher certified. If you own an original machine and appreciate a certified product, this is a great option for you. What people say. The capsules are fully compatible with my Nespresso machine, and the variety of blends offers something for every mood, whether I want a bold espresso or a smooth, balanced roast. The flavor is rich and aromatic, with a crema that rivals the original Nespresso pods. The pods are aluminum and the Bestpresso offers free recycling bags just like Nespresso, adding to the value. Number 2. Caffenu Nespresso compatible cleaning pods. Keep your Nespresso machine in top condition with these cleaning pods. They are designed to improve your coffee's flavor and extend the life of your machine. These cleaning pods are a must-have accessory for your Nespresso. They provide quick and easy cleaning, ensuring hygienic operation with the touch of a button. The pods dissolve easily, leaving no residue, and are made from environmentally friendly materials. Caffenu cleaning capsules were the first of their kind, revolutionizing coffee machine cleaning. This innovation leads to cleaner machines and better tasting coffee. It removes unwanted debris from the brewing chamber, nozzle, spout, and washer plate. Using the Caffenu cleaning capsule is as simple as making a cup of coffee. Remember to decal your machine separately. Clear instructions are included with the product. Use one Caffenu cleaning capsule after every 30 cups of coffee, or at least once a month. If you use flavored capsules, you might need to clean more often. For first-time use, we recommend using 2 capsules. Caffenu offers innovative solutions to care for your coffee machines. The brand provides both cleaners and descalers, focusing on optimizing your coffee experience. Their products help clean all coffee machine accessories, ensuring the perfect cup. What we like. This cleaning pod is designed to remove residue and improve the flavor of your coffee. It's incredibly easy to use, making maintenance a breeze. If you want to keep your machine in top condition and enjoy the best possible coffee, you should consider this. What people say. The pods are easy to use. The coffee tastes great. The machine is easy to clean. Number 1. Nespresso Creatista Plus Espresso Machine. This Nespresso machine lets you enjoy a full range of espresso coffee. It includes an integrated milk frother and heats up in just 3 seconds. It also has an energy-saving automatic shut-off feature. With 3 programmable coffee selections, you can create the perfect ristretto, espresso, or lungo. This machine allows you to brew better coffee at home. Adjust the grind size and amount to your preference. The Creatista Plus offers freshly brewed coffee and authentic espresso. The attached milk frother lets you create top-quality latte art. You can also pour over ice for your favorite iced coffee drinks. This espresso maker has a sleek, stainless steel design. It fits perfectly in any modern kitchen. The machine comes with a complimentary starter set of Nespresso capsules. It includes a 1.5L removable water tank, an auto-purge steam wand, and 19 bars of pressure. The machine has a fast automatic cleaning process and a stainless milk jug. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. Explore over 30 permanent capsules and indulge in special seasonal and limited edition coffees. Whether you like bold or mild, hot or iced, there's a blend for you. Enjoy the variety this machine offers. What we like. This machine includes an integrated milk frother, allowing you to create lattes and other specialty drinks. It heats up quickly and has a sleek design. If you enjoy making cafe-style drinks at home and want a stylish machine, it's perfect for you. What people say. The pods are easy to use. The coffee is delicious and has a great crema. The pods work perfectly in an espresso machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.